Hello, today we're going to talk about how to create an email opt-in page, and I'm going to show you a way that you can do it very quickly, very easily, and you can do it for free. So welcome to my channel, Online Verve, where I create videos about how to make money online. So please take a look around the site if you've not seen them before, and please subscribe as well. So what I want to talk about is email marketing. Hopefully you understand that email marketing and having an email list is one of the most important online assets that you can have. That is an asset that you own. It's something you can continue to market to and get traffic from, make sales, and make money. And you're not reliant on a third party that may shut you down, like your hosting, or like Amazon, or like even YouTube. So you own it, and it can be an ongoing traffic source for you. One of the things that sometimes keeps people from getting started with email marketing is it can seem complex, especially trying to set up a squeeze page or opt-in page where you collect someone's email in exchange for something free. And also, it can be a little intimidating on how to start because there's lots of different software out there that you can use. I'll show you a couple very popular examples. And I'm not knocking these softwares because they do work. They work great. They work very well, but they also are kind of pricey. So Lead Pages is very popular. Again, you can see they have over 40,000 customers. You can get a 14-day trial, but then you can see it's going to jump up to $49 per month, okay, just to start out. So a little pricey. And then another popular software, which again works well, also comes with a 14-day trial, is ClickFunnels. So you see ClickFunnels advertised a lot, promoted a lot, and that's because they pay out great commissions because their basic plan starts at $97 a month. Now, hopefully, you'll be doing so well in the future with your online business that maybe Lead Pages or ClickFunnels or some other software, this will be no big deal to spend this every month. But if you're just getting started out, that is kind of a big deal. That's a lot of money. And so what I want to show you today is a way that you can, again, make an opt-in page to collect emails, build that email list, and start your email marketing journey in a way that you can do it that, again, is going to be very quick, easy, and that's actually you can do it for free. Now, as a caveat, you do need an email autoresponder, and I recommend either Aweber or GetResponse. I have used both of them and they both work great. Okay, so you can't go wrong either way. I currently use Aweber. They both do, as you can see on their pricing page, they both start with a free plan for up to 500 contacts, and so it stays free until you go over 500 contacts, and then it's about $16 a month. Okay. And the same thing with Aweber. It's free up to 500, and then it goes to about $16 a month as well. So how do you make these opt-in pages? One way is you actually can make opt-in pages inside Aweber or GetResponse, and I have a separate video that you can look at that shows that. But I want to show you a system today that I use called List Infinity. List Infinity is all about teaching you how to grow your email list and do email marketing. And one of the nice things that they provide, and this is free, that's why when I said you can do this, get these opt-in pages made quick, easy, and free, is because you don't have to make anything. They're done for you, they're hosted for you, and you can get started with List Infinity for free. And you can stay at their free plan as well. And when you go in here, they show you how to get your system set up so that you can make sure it's connected to your Aweber or GetResponse account. So they have training on how to do that. And then here's one of the beauties of List Infinity is now they do have, in full disclosure, they have a couple of paid options, a one-time $10 payment option and a one-time $100 option. So these are not ongoing. Like Lead Pages is a monthly plan, ClickFunnels is a monthly plan. List Infinity, they do have one-time paid options, but you can use their free option, and you get 14 different lead capture pages included. So let me just open up a few of these so you can see them. Very nicely done, nice headline, enter their email, and boom, send me the video, and they're added to your Aweber or GetResponse email account. And now you can start your email marketing. Okay, so again, very nicely done. little social proof on this one. And then they do have some, simpler ones, without a background, but still very nice. And then they have lots of other ones as well. So you can go through, you get access to all 14. So, you can find which one you like and use it. You can, test out different ones against each other, etc. But you get access to use all 14 of these as part of being a free member of List Infinity. So you can't really beat that. They also have some very good training in here if you want to learn about solo ad traffic, some really good training, as well as some recommended solo ad sellers. So you get access to that as part of your free training. You also get access to some Facebook marketing training and promotion tools that you can use as part of your Facebook and other social media training to get people to your opt-in pages. And so you really have some nice training in here as well, in addition to using the 14 lead capture pages for free. They're done for you. They're hosted. You don't need a domain. You don't need to have hosting. You don't need to have WordPress. You don't need any kind of technical skills. And you don't need to pay any kind of monthly fees like other plans, because you can get started for free with List Infinity and continue for free. So I hope you find this helpful. I'll leave a link in the description box down below for List Infinity. So if you want to start, it'll take you to, I believe, this opt-in page. So go ahead and just click. When you click, it'll take you here. Enter your email address. Click Send Me the Video. It'll take you to the next page where you create your free List Infinity account, and then you get started from there. So I hope you found this helpful. Take advantage of free things when you can. Use them and let them work for you. So please like the video if you don't mind, if you found it helpful, and please subscribe if you are not. Subscribe to my channel so you can get new videos when they come out. Thanks so much for watching.